I've been living with stage 4 colon cancer since 2015 with active disease, and a lot of long-term cancer patients are kind of used to the uncertainty of living in the land of sort of long-term treatment. But COVID has definitely added another layer. And I quickly found that out. I had been traveling early March internationally, not understanding that a pandemic was completely going to explode soon. So I had to come back early, and I was due for scans March 20th. And I got a call. I spoke to my oncologist right away, and he said, well, you need to quarantine for 2 weeks. I said, yes, we're doing that. And then they asked me to delay my scans till May 1st. And that would have been pushing my surveillance scans past another month, and I wasn't really comfortable doing that. But right away he said, well, let's order mobile Signatera. So you can have your scan or your liquid biopsy drawn from home. And I've had a Signatera draw before, and it's been very helpful as a monitoring tool for my minimal residual disease. And so he got that set up right away, and had the draw from home. It was very easy, did it outside. And I got those results very quickly, actually, before my CT scan was scheduled. So I had an idea about whether or not I needed to really push up that CT scan, or I felt comfortable delaying it another month. I was definitely a little bit hesitant because I didn't know who would be coming to my house and whose houses they had been to previously. So the company was good. They called me just as sort of like a pre-interview to make sure that they were sending the right test, like just clarifying what test they were drawing. Yeah. And that gave me an opportunity to ask them if they had gloves and masks. And I have a port, so I could ask about, can you draw from my port? I'm kind of a hard stick in my arm, does your phlebotomist have experience with that? So that really helped sort of quell some of the fears. I also came armed with my own PPE that I already had. So we had a very nice blood draw on my front porch, maybe to the neighbor's enjoyment.